Hey you, what up, what up, what up? Mega love, shout out everyone. Happy Lord's Day everyone. Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino kababayan, OFW. Salute. Mega love, shout out everyone. So guys, ito po yung version ko ng classic pandesal na pinagmana pa sa aming dalit Mami Luning, Amudia, Amistad, Amores, Aberhido. Super lambot guys, tingnan nyo naman oh. Yan oh. Napakalambot na ensaymada, cheese ensaymada, cheeselicious, super lambot ensaymada. Tingnan nyo naman, napakalambot. Yan oh, ayan oh, yan oh. Tikman natin. Super lambot, napakasarap. Manganta yun. Mega chat out Ate Els, Sister Marisa dyan sa Island Pacific. Naimbag nga aldaw yung amin. Have a great one. Have a good day. Always stay safe. And may the living and loving Almighty God the Father bless us all. To God be all the glory.